The Prophet is on his way. You heard a voice, O Messenger of Allah, you looked right, looked left, no one was visible. Then a voice came, O Messenger of Allah, you saw a deer hanging by a rope around its neck. She was tied to the bedstead and calling you. You came closer. She said, what? She said, your master brought me here. She said, I am content with Allah's decree, meaning I will be captured, but I have small children. They are hungry. I would be very grateful if you let me go. I will feed them milk and then return. So you said, well, what if you do not return? Then she said, if I do not return, let Allah cast me into hell, just as humans will be cast. So you untied her rope, and there, he sat down. She ran and disappeared into the mountains. Time passed. You saw her coming down from the mountain, and she said, O Messenger of Allah, I am present. Allahu Akbar. You tied her with the rope and then sat down. Time passed. A companion came who had caught her for the car. He got worried and said, Dear Messenger of Allah, how are you? You said, Brother, I have a small task. He said, I request this deer as a gift from you. The companion said, O Messenger of Allah, we are behind the sustenance. You said, No, just give this deer. The companion said, Take it. So you removed the rope from its neck and said, Go to your children. Truth saves, lies destroy. My friends, like the truth of a deer,